everybody, this is Rebecca TOTILO with the Roma Hut Institute, and today I'm going to be making a blend for my husband who's been complaining for about maybe a month or two that his arm and elbow hurt, so like a tennis elbow, tendonitis. So we're going to take a look now and find the oils that are in the book. Let's go get our book, and then we'll try to make a blend for him. Okay, here we go. So these are the oils we can choose from. Let's see if we found everything. Oh, there's peppermint, lemongrass. We're gonna use those for our top notes. Let's see, we got lavender and marjoram. We're gonna use those for our middle, and chamomile. Let's see what we got for base. For base, we could have used ginger. That'd be a nice option. But we went with helichrysum. I'm thinking about ginger too, because that's a nice one. So we got quite a few oils that we can use for this. This is on page 292. So if you guys have this book, you can just go to this page and look at these oils. This type of blend can be used in numerous ways. I mean, you could add it to a bath. You could use it in a roll-on with a carrier oil, or you can use a lotion. It just depends on what you want to use as your carrier. In this case, I think I'm going to do roll-on for sure, because I think that's something easy. You can put it in his pocket and just roll it on throughout the day and use as needed. For this dilution, I'm thinking you can do a 3 to 5%. This isn't something you're probably going to use for a long time, so it's not like everyday use. So I think we could even go a little higher on our dilution, but we do have a lot of oils to choose from, so we're probably going to end up being around 3 to 5% in our dilution rate. So anyway, I hope this helps, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and like it. Okay, thanks.